Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks. Now today we're going over the women's Jordan 1 mid in this white quilt colorway. Now before we get into the shoes, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. And bam, the Jordan 1 mid women's exclusive in this quilt colorway. I'm looking at this shoe in hand and just laughing at all the people who slept on this shoe because I'm telling you, this is fire. Now, the thing I said I was disappointed about was the quilt material. For some reason, when I saw the shoe, I saw images and everything, I didn't take that close of a look at it, and I just assumed that this quilt look right here, how you got the stitching running through it, for some reason I thought this was like a premium leather and then it was like stitched in, giving it that quilt look. So like far away it kind of looks like that, and in pictures it looks like that, but as you can tell up close, it's just this fabric material, which it still looks really nice, but I do feel like Nike tricked me just a little bit. The first pair of Jordans I ever had was a pair of all white Jordan 1 mids. You just can't go wrong with an all white shoe. Now I also do a lot of custom sneakers, so with this shoe I saw a lot of opportunities to do a custom, and looking at it I feel like it's gonna be kind of tough with the quilt material. You know, you're probably gonna have to keep that white, so you could go over the overlays, you know, customize it somehow, but I honestly think this all white look, just the way it comes stock, is gonna be the best look, honestly. So with that being said, let's look at these bad boys on feet.
I'm the mirror that cracked, the man with no back, the work with no slack, defend and attack. I'm bound to subtract, your ego with facts, I'm different like that. Cause like the ocean, I'm a moving force. No family divorce, just white horses turning at the sand the way it was taught. How many things in our life can no longer be bought? It don't matter, I hate to flatter, pretend that we okay when everything's in a disaster. So let's replaster the wall and ask her.
Hard turn cold, I'm feeling depressed now. I need Kevlar vest. What? Cause the way you shooting shots got me so damn stressed. I swear the last time that we linked, I could feel it slip. I don't know what made you flip the fucking switch, yeah. Took an Alvin, I'm feeling like Neo. Need me a Trinity, need me a trio. Yeah, I'm Keanu, you know I'm the one. Just got the Nikes in the fear of God.
Cautious, psychedelic, man, I'm nauseous. I hope to see the movie of my life so I can pause it. Play it back, try to mend all these cracks. In my heart, no coming back. I should be a running back, catching feelings just like that. Making metaphors for all these feelings feel like extra math. With no math, know that there's no coming back. Once I put my words on flat, make sure that my back ain't bumpy since you walk all over that. Cause I'm the mirror that cracked, the man with no back, the work with no slack.
And bam, the Jordan 1 mid in the women's colorway. Again, I did go with a women's size 11.5, which is the equivalent to a men's 10, which is my size. They do fit true to size, so stick with your true to size on this sneaker. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this quilted Jordan 1 mid. Is it dope or no? Let me know, comment down below. I like it though. So that being said, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed.